Okay, hi everybody. So I did section 3.1, number 27, and basically you're just proving that f of x equals 3 cubed minus 9x plus 5 has a real zero in these three intervals. So -4, comma -3, so between in that interval. So I just broke down each one by the intervals, right? You just basically plug those in. So I do f of -4 and then break it down and work it out just by putting putting -4 in where the x's are, right? And so then you get f of -4 equals -23. And then you do the second part of the interval. So f of -3, and you work that out, putting -3 in for your x's, you get 5. And basically, since f of -4 and f of -3 have different sign values, that is indicative that yes, there are real zeros within this interval. So, yes. So basically the same thing happens for each one. So at first I was thinking that, yeah, obviously, because there's a 0 here, then there's a 0 in that interval. That means that, yes, the thing is going to be right. But so you take the 0 and place it in for x, right? So you have f of 0, and this winds up canceling each other out because it's all zeros, and then you wind up with just the 5. And then you put in f of 1 because that's the second part of your interval, and you wind up with -3. So 5 and -3 are opposite signs. So yes, that proves that you have a real 0. And then 2 comma 3, we've got f of 2, break it all down, winds up with -5. And then f of 3, put your 3 in, you break it all down, and you wind up with +5. So yes, all three of those intervals have real zeros.